Hey, what's up? Back with another video. And in this one, I had to do a voiceover because the audio was terrible. Right here, I'm just explaining that I saw a YouTube video about this young lady that has natural hair and does DIY with the hair oils and the mask and all this stuff. So due to my medical issue and having low iron and my hair thinning, I'm going on a journey to try to sort it out. My hair does grow. It's just the thinning part that gets me. And I want thick, healthy hair. So I decided to give this a try. So this is the hair booster that I use, and I was just reading off the ingredients. Right here, I have some warm water in that dish. I figured it might help with the infusion process. I don't know. I just be doing shit sometimes. Then I covered it with this towel to try to conceal the warmth for as long as possible. All right, now we about to let that sit for an hour while I go run some errands right quick. I gotta stop at the hair store and get me some acetone to remove these nails. Okay, so right here, I was just chatting some long-winded chat about leaving the hair oil to drip overnight and contemplating if I was gonna come back later on and do the hair mask on camera and try to soak my nails and all that. I was trying to do too much. Okay, so a part of this did not get recorded because I didn't press record. So this was just what oil was left at the bottom. I was trying to use that little doohickey to get the rest of it out into that bottle. Okay, what's going on? Good morning, my people. US subscribers, everybody out there. I'm like 57 subscribers. But anyway, now, so I'm here today. I'm gonna wash my hair at some point today, in a little bit, actually. And I am using this growth booster hair pack. It's like mostly henna and other herbs and stuff like that. But yesterday I made the hair oil. Today I'm doing the mask. Yeah. So the oil gonna be for after when I don't wash and condition my hair. Yeah, I think I'm gonna condition my hair still. And yeah, I'm gonna use the oil afterwards. The mask, I'm about to actually mix it up right now on camera for y'all to see. I don't know if I'm gonna apply it on camera. I don't know yet. Okay, so let's get the mix in. Yes, so I'm back after my 2-hour nap. Yes, I have a shopping bag on my head because I was about to get in bed. Bars. Yeah, I didn't want that stuff all over my sheets and pillows and shit, so. Okay, so back again after the shampoo and condition. I left the conditioner in for about 30 minutes. Yeah, and I was just explaining that I usually use a microfiber towel when it comes to drying my hair, but I couldn't find either one, and I got 2 of them. Couldn't find either one, so I just used a black t-shirt. That seems to soak up the water pretty well too. I don't want my hair to revert back too quick, so I'm gonna put 2 pan right now. Yeah, I'm gonna just do 2 cornrow because I want it to stay as straight as possible. I don't feel like a reverting back already. So yeah, I'm about to do not much shedding. I'm about to do 2 cornrow. I'm gonna go ahead and put some of that, damn my shit loud, put some of that tea tree oil in here, and I'm gonna oil my scalp a little bit more before I do the 2 cornrow and I down and that's just it. Me think I want to see the cornrow and all that, so yeah, I'm gonna end it right here. And correction, I said earlier that today was March 1st, it's the 2nd, so I need to put this in my calendar that I started this little treatment on the 2nd of March. So from here on out, I'm gonna check in back maybe in the next, I don't know, maybe 4 weeks. I don't damn know. I'm about to go back to work soon, so that's why I went ahead and said let me wash my hair now, so I could start to prepare myself because I am gonna redo them Afro kinky, but I'm contemplating if I want to do synthetic hair or if I want to do human hair this time. Anyway, so yeah, that's just it. I'm gonna end this video to do my little cornrow, because like I said, I should starting to shrink already. So let me go ahead and don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to the thing. I'm gonna catch you in the next video. I'm gonna end this right here.